Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy an NFT on OpenSea. First, you'll need to set up your digital wallet. Install the MetaMask browser extension for your desktop or the app on your mobile device. Then, create a new wallet or import an existing one, making sure to securely store your secret recovery phrase. Next, fund your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum or ETH to cover both the NFT price and any gas fees. Finally, connect your MetaMask wallet to OpenSea. Once your wallet is connected, it's time to find an NFT you love. Navigate OpenSea and explore the vast collections available. Use the search bar and filters to refine your options by price, collection, or other traits. Before deciding, thoroughly review the NFT's details, including its history and any associated information. Always check the seller's profile for a verification badge and positive activity to ensure legitimacy. When you've found an NFT, you have two main options: buy now for a fixed price or make offer if you wish to bid. After selecting your preferred method, carefully review the total cost, which includes the NFT price and any gas fees. Gas fees are paid to the blockchain network, not OpenSea, and can fluctuate. Confirm the transaction in your MetaMask wallet, then wait a short time for the purchase to be processed and recorded on the blockchain. Congratulations on your NFT purchase. You can now view your new digital asset in the Collected tab of your OpenSea profile. Remember, your NFTs are stored in your MetaMask wallet, not on OpenSea itself. To protect your assets, never share your secret recovery phrase with anyone. Be cautious of phishing attempts and suspicious links. For added security, especially with valuable NFTs, consider investing in a hardware wallet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.